Dear student, this is Dev's Academy. You must subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Today we are going to the next chapter. This is from ICAC Banking. Actually this is recurring deposits account. In recurring deposit accounts we have to find out from the problem the sum which is monthly deposited is termed as recurring deposit. The sum which is deposited monthly, usually the amount is equal for the all of the months. This is known as recurring deposit. The rate of interest is calculated. This is and the percentage of rate is per annum, that means yearly. The time which will be given here, it is number of years into 12, because in each and every month the recurring deposit, that means the installment, which is a constant amount of money, this is deposited. The interest is I, here it is denoted as an amount A. If the sum deposited every month equal to rupees P, rate of interest is R%, time N, N means number of months, that is number of years into 12. Then total sum deposited for N months will be P into N. This is as it will be returned to the person after the maturation, and at the time of maturation he also will get the interest earned for the N months, which is the formula is this: interest earned for N months is this, and maturity value, which is termed as MV, equal to P into N plus this amount. To find out the number of months, you can use like this way, and adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus whatever it may be up to n terms, it is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now let us see the first question, calculating maturity value. Students, in case of calculating maturity value, we will follow this process, this method. The first, this is A. Now, Messrs. Matthew opened a recurring deposit of account in bank and deposited rupees 640 per month for 4.5 years. Find the maturity value if the bank pays interest at the rate of 12%. Just see that the monthly deposited is rupees 640. This amount will be constant for every month, and this will be deposited for 4.5 years. That is 4.5 years equal to 54 months. And the recurring deposit, as it is 640, rate of interest is 12, and time equal to 4.5 years, that is 54 months. Therefore it will earn a interest, that is rupees 9,504 only, and sum deposited equal to rupees 640 into 54 months, 640 into 54 months, which is rupees 34,560. Therefore maturity value will be sum of this interest earned and the sum deposited, which is 44,064 only. Now the second question. The second question, we have to find out the RD, that is recurring deposit. That means the monthly deposit that was given to the bank every month. This is to calculate. Now second question is that A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. If the rate of interest is 12% per annum and the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity, find the value of monthly installments. We have to find out the monthly installment. That means the man had deposited the particular sum every month constantly without any change. Now the solution, let the monthly installment be rupees P. Monthly installment be rupees P. And rate of interest is 12%. Therefore time n equal to 3.5 years equal to 7 by 2 years, which is nearly 42 months. 7 by 2 into 12, that is 42 months. Therefore sum deposited for 42 months will be 42P, 42 into P. It earned interest, how much? It is P into 42 plus 42 into 1 by 2 into 12 by into 12 by 100, which is rupees 903 P by 100. Now maturity value equal to total sum earned plus total interest, which is rupees 10,206. Calculating this and equating, we are getting P equal to 200. Therefore monthly installment the man paid every month rupees 20 only. Now question number C, it will be number C, which is calculating rate of interest R. Number 3, that is Punit has a recurring deposit account in Bank of Baroda and deposited rupees 140 per month for 4 years. 140 is recurring deposit. If he gets rupees 8,092 on maturity, find the rate of interest given by the bank. The solution is let the rate of interest be rupees 8%. Here RD equal to 140. RD means P, monthly deposited, and maturity value equal to 8,092 time n equal to, it is for 4 years, therefore 48 months. Therefore MV equal to, the formula is that P into n into this. So this part equal to rupees 8,092.0. 92.00. After calculating, we are getting that R equal to 10. Therefore rate of interest given by the bank is 10%. You must know that you are observing, you are watching Dev's Academy. If you need more questions to be solved, you can put it in my comment box. I will solve it for you and I will go on like this way. That's all today now.